Best Buy looking for the Avatar. We're going to Best Buy trying to get the new Avatar. Would you have the new? You never know, they might have something in here. Alright, so I mean, Kai, we had that before, didn't we? Oh, look at all the new Mavic Mini 3. Apparently I have to wait tomorrow until when it's announced for me to purchase it, but I'm super excited, guys, and I just can't wait. I don't know, I might just gotta go ahead and get this drone itself because I already have a Mini 3. Guys, what do you think of the sound? Is it sound like a weed whacker, or it's pretty exciting sound? Let me know. And here's the goggles. It looks interesting, and you can see here you have the little knobs in there, and you can also see here from the circle of the lens, you can have different, I guess if you're nearsighted, farsighted, that's pretty cool. They have that little knob in there, but when you spin that little bottom piece, it moves around. But anyway, it looked like it's sweating. I mean, I don't know if this is in China, but it's freaking hot here in Florida. And having this on, I would prefer the Mavic Mini 3 Pro controller. That'd be interesting. I mean, it's AccuSync, and I can't wait.